Good morning. This is a code enforcement hearing for the city of North Miami. Today is um, February the 20th, right? 2019. I'm Christopher Benjamin, Special Magistrate for the city of North Miami. The purpose of this hearing is to determine if a code violation exists at your property as observed and cited by a code enforcement officer of this city. If the city is not able to prove its case, then I'll dismiss the case and you'll be free to leave. These proceedings are being recorded, therefore all persons who are speaking should do so one at a time to make sure that all testimony is clearly audible on the recording device. If English is not your primary language, then please inform me when I call your case. We have interpreters who will be able to assist you during your proceedings. When your case is called, the property owner or agent for the property owner, any witnesses that you may have, should come forward to the podium on the left side of the room. When asked, speak directly into the microphone and say aloud your name, your relationship to the property, and your address. If you are not the property owner or an attorney representing the property owner, then you must present a notarized power of attorney in order to speak on behalf of the property owner. For new cases, you'll be asked for the record if you are aware of and understand the violation that's being heard today, and whether you understand what is required to resolve the violation, so please answer accordingly. The city will present its case first, and the property owner will be given an opportunity to testify on their own behalf, to bring forward witnesses to testify, to present evidence, and to cross-examine the city's witnesses. Following the case presentation, I'll issue a finding of fact on the case. If I find that a violation of the city code exists or existed at your property, then depending on the case type, I'll set an abatement date for the violation to be resolved, or for repeat violations, I'll impose a daily fine amount. For new non-repeat cases, my order will include an abatement date by which you must resolve the violation and a daily fine amount that I may impose at a future hearing date should the violation continue to be unaddressed by the abatement date. If I find sufficient cause to postpone enforcement at this time, then I'll table the case proceeding for another date in the near future. Now, if you don't agree with my findings, then the property owner may appeal this administrative order to the circuit court, this being Miami-Dade County, that'd be the 11th Judicial Circuit. An appeal must be followed within 30 days of the date of the execution of my order. In accordance with Florida statutes, if a person decides to appeal any decision made by the special magistrate with respect to any matter considered at these proceedings, then the person will need a verbatim record of the proceedings. This record includes the testimony and evidence upon which the opinion was based, or which the appeal is going to be based, and the cost for obtaining the verbatim record shall be the sole responsibility of the appellant, meaning the person appealing. It is recommended that persons who already plan to appeal their case should provide their own court reporter at these proceedings for issues of expedience. Pursuant to City Code, if the City of North Miami prevails in prosecuting a case before the special magistrate, then the city shall be entitled to recover all costs incurred in prosecuting the case. The current cost assessments amount is $100 per case. Once the city records an order that imposes a fine and authorizes a lien against the property, then the city will charge an additional administrative fee to record and release that lien. Now, if you're going to be giving testimony in a case, please rise and raise your right hand to be sworn. Remain standing for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Say it in Spanish as well. Please stand up if you're going to be speaking up here on a case. If you're going to be speaking up here, you got to stand up and take an oath. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in these proceedings will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Just say aloud, I do. I do. Okay. Please, everyone, stand up so we can say the Pledge of Allegiance. Everyone, please stand up, face the flag, repeat after me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please be seated. Translators, raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the translations which you about translators? Please sit down. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the translations which you're about to give in these proceedings will be accurate and correct to the best of your knowledge, skills, and ability?
Yes, I do.
Thank you.
Madam Clerk, please state any objections, additions, or deletions to the agenda, and then call your first case.
Okay, the following cases are item number 10, CEFAW 2018-00334, complied. Item number 11, CEGMP 2018-00385, complied. Item number 15, CEGMP 2018-00399, complied. Item number 16, CEIVY 2018-00375, complied. Item number 18, CEWWC 2018-00154, complied. Item number 35, CESOD 2018-00027, complied. Item number 41, CEFAW 2018-00306, complied. Item number 44, MHVIO 2017-01059, postponed. Item number 48, CENBR 2018-00101, complied. Item number 49, CEEXP 2018-00261, complied. Item number 51, CEGEF 2018-00003, complied. Item number 52, CEIVY 2018-00055, complied. Item number 63, CESRR 2018-00055, complied. Item number 67, CEFAW 2018-00321, complied. Item number 69, MHVIO 2018-01260, postponed. Item number 74, CEIVY 2017-00139, complied. Item number 84, CENUS 2018-02376, complied. Item number 89, CEODS 2018-00223, complied. Item number 92, CEBLR 2018-00071, complied. Item number 94, CEPFY 2018-00693, complied. Item number 95, CEPFY 2018-00586, complied. Item number 96, CESSP 2018-00279, complied. Item number 102, MHVIO 2017-00922, postponed. Item number 103, MHVIO 2017-00923, postponed. Item number 104, MHVIO 2017-00924, postponed. Item number 105, MHVIO 2017-00925, postponed. Item number 107, 107, CERCV 2018-00130, complied. Item number 115, CENUS 2018-01215, complied. Item number 116, CEFLR 2018-00005, complied. That's all.
Call your first case.
That completes the comply cases.
Call your first case.
My first case, item number 1, CEIVY 2018-00460, property 14245 Northeast 8,
Is that,
LLC.
is that the first case on your sign-in and all that? Call a, yeah, call a first case pursuant to your sign-up. That way the people who came in, that's the way, is that, how have you guys done it before?
Whoever signs in, we highlight their name on the agenda and then we call it in that order.
Okay,
They're not necessarily the board that do it.
okay. Alright. As long as they're here. That person here?
Item number 1, case CIVY 2018-00460 for property 14245 Northeast 8, LLC. Officer John Dorville.
Good morning, make your appearance for the record. Madam, make your appearance for the record.
My name's Danielle Williams. My name is Danielle Williams. I'm here because I had some wrecked vehicles in my driveway.
What's your relationship to the property?
Renter.
The renter? Has the property owner been made aware of the violations?
Yes.
Okay, has the property owner given you permission to speak on their behalf?
He never told me anything like that. I just told him that they sent a court date for me to come, and that was it.
Mr. Dorville, what's the nature of the violations?
Good morning, Code Officer Dorval, Code Compliance Officer, North Miami. The nature of the actual violation is they have 2 vehicles on the property, and they're both inoperable. One vehicle is clearly crashed front and back. I have pictures, and the other vehicle has some minor damage and flats in front of the property. They are sitting on a major avenue on 8th Avenue of the property. Can I show the pictures?
Just a moment.
Yes, sir.
So you understand the nature of the violations?
Yeah, but it wasn't my fault. It was an accident in the middle of the road, and it sent a car flying into my vehicles.
There's an accident in the middle of the road.
A cab driver ran a stop sign. It was a Camaro doing like 80 miles an hour going down 8th Avenue, and it sent I had a police report. It sent the car flying into my house. It wrecked both of my vehicles.
Yeah. What the city, by getting cited, what the city is saying is that those vehicles cannot remain in the front of the property.
But it's still under investigation.
You don't need the vehicles in front of the property for the investigation.
But then where would I put them at? Where would I move them to?
But they can't be there. That's what the city is saying. All right. Reset.
Reset, have a conversation.
Yes. Reset for March 20th.
Item number 7, CEG MP 2018-00380, property 14355 Northeast 6th Avenue, LLC. Officer Vanessa Willis.
Good morning, Aldo Campi, property, I'm the owner.
Okay. Have you been made aware of the violation?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any objections to the violation?
Yes, I do.
All right.
Good morning, Vanessa Willis, City of North Miami Code Compliance Officer. This property was cited for the dumpster enclosure. Give me 1 second. Please repair, paint, or stain deteriorated and faded dumpster. This property was cited back in October 30th, 2018, and to date, they are not in compliance. He repaired the dumpster, but he hasn't painted or stained it. I have photos just describing what the vehicle, what the dumpster enclosure looks like today. So I'll submit that into evidence, Your Honor.
All right. All right. Is this the address?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And is that the enclosure?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you. All right. Response?
Basically, the enclosure was damaged by the garbage company, and I had to repair the doors. I cleaned up the enclosure. I pressure cleaned it, and it's in clean, orderly form. So I didn't think I needed to paint it. I talked to Ms. Willis about it, and she told me that it needed to be painted because it's an eyesore. And I didn't think it was an eyesore. I mean, it's supposed to be clean, it's supposed to be working properly, and in my opinion, that's how it is. It's not that,
It's kind of painted, kind of not painted, right?
because we have great artists that like to graffiti property and stuff, so if you have graffiti on there, then it's a problem and you have to paint it. If it's because of the paint, I'll turn because of those specific planks of wood, I'll turn them around. I don't think it needs to be painted. The purpose of wood is to have wood. If you want it painted, you can paint it.
All right. Find that the violation does exist as cited. Issue an abatement date of March 13th. If not abated by March 13th, then it's $250 per day until abated.
Thank you.
So you're telling me I have to paint it, or I can turn the wood around?
You must make sure that it's not an eyesore.
All right, thank you.
All right.
Item number 8, CEW WC 2018-00153, Alex Galindo and wife Susanna, Code Officer Wayne Clark. Item number 8.
Good morning. My name is Susana Rodriguez.
All right, ma'am. You've been made aware of the violation. What's your relationship to the property?
Excuse me?
Do you need an interpreter?
No,
What's your relationship to the property?
I'm the owner.
All right, and you're aware of the violation, correct?
Yes, sir.
Are there any objections to the violation? Do you disagree with the violation?
No, I don't disagree.
All right. How much time do you need to correct it?
My construction company, they just submitted a permit, City of Miami, so they can start working on it on the weekend or next week.
For the city of Miami?
Yeah. North Miami.
Oh.
Sorry.
Okay. All right. Was that all she needed?
Yes, City of North Miami Code Compliance, Wayne Clark. This was in reference to the roof, a damaged roof she has. And as she said, she's working on it. I went by, it's still in the same condition. Got the blue top on it right now, but however, I'll let you go with whatever the evidence that she has that she's
Yeah.
trying to,
They just
remedy.
submitted the, for a permit to start the roof on,
Have they received the permit?
not yet, because I did it on February 11th.
All right. Let's reset. Make sure the permit gets actually received. You actually received the permit.
Okay,
So reset for March 20th.
thank you.
yeah, keep in touch with me, let me know.
Sure.
Item number 22 through 25, case CEFAW 2018-00328. Item number 23, CEIVY 2018-00427. Item number 24, CEODS 2018-00224. And item number 25, CEOSV 2018-00104. Solis for property 560 Northwest 130th Street. And that's Code Officer Jose Perez.
Good morning.
Good morning. State your name for the record, please.
Komogile. Excuse me,
State your name for the record, please.
Elsie Mathurin,
No, him.
Komogile.
Remember.
Sirius Attilus.
Okay. And what's your relationship to the property?
Sakal, Esquikala Sipu. Yes, it's my house. I'm the owner.
Okay. And are you aware of the violations that are being heard today?
Est-ce qu'on connaît de ça, de violation vouée par aujourd'hui? They told me it's about a truck that was parked in my yard.
Okay. And do you disagree with that violation?
Est-ce qu'on pas d'accord avec les violations? They told me to take it, to move it out. I already did.
Okay.
Code Enforcement Officer Perez of the City of North Miami. Which case are we hearing first?
I guess the one with the truck.
All right. 'Cause there was two. There was one for the oversized vehicle, so that's one ending in 104. Reference to that case at property 560 Northwest 130 Street. There's an oversized vehicle, an ice cream truck to be exact. It's been parked there for quite some time now. I re-inspected the property on February 14th, and the vehicle was still there. I have photographs as evidence.
He's saying that he removed it.
It's no longer there.
As of February 14th, it was there. That was the re-inspection date. So we could table it with an adjudication, and I'll re-inspect it. If it's there, then I would just comply it.
All right. Having heard the testimony, evidence presented, find the property owner, find the violation, uphold the violation, and issue an abatement date of March 13th. Not abated by March 13th, then it's $250 per day until abated. What's the next one?
What's the next one?
You had two
There's four.
for this property?
Four.
Four? Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Let's do them all at one time.
Okay, cool. So I guess the next one will be for the outdoor storage. So that's CEODS 2018-00224, in reference to an abundance of miscellaneous items and debris in the rear of the property, to include several tires, pots, pans, refrigerators, etc.
The refrigerator is still there, but all the other stuff are moved. Okay, the refrigerator works. If they tell me to move it, I will move it. That's the only thing left back there.
You have to move it.
Okay.
All right. That was for the outdoor storage. The other one was for the inoperable vehicle, which has complied. It is no longer there. And the final one is for the fence in the rear of the property. The fence in the rear of the property is in despair. As of February 14th, when I went back out, it was falling apart. There's several pieces of plank that are being used to pry it up. I have photographs of that as well, if you'd like to see them.
About the fence?
Correct, yes, the fence.
It's been fixed.
As of February 14th, it was not fixed. So again, we could get an adjudication, and we'll go from there.
Okay.
It's been fixed. The fence been fixed.
All right. Next one. Is that it?
Correct.
All right.
Everything's been fixed.
So the same ruling as to all citations, and then you'll re-inspect, and if re-inspect finds that they are in compliance, then take the appropriate action.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
Item number 27, CEB PR 2018-00040, Chaya Chin, Officer Vanessa Willis. And that's item number 27.
Go ahead and make your appearance for the record.
Good morning. My
Good
name is Jiaxin Chen. I have a case,
What's your relationship to the property?
but everything.
What's your relationship to the property?
Okay, I'm the owner.
Okay.
Yeah.
And are you aware of the violation that's been given
Yes,
to the
yes.
property?
I
And
did whatever.
Do you disagree with the violation?
No, I don't
right.
disagree.
All right.
I
How much
follow everything.
how much time do you need?
I don't know. Now I received the hearing, so everything is in processing.
Everything is in processing,
Yeah.
but it hasn't
I-
yet been completed.
No, not yet because
How
I'm
much
waiting
time will it
for,
take for it to be completed?
I don't know because the building department still asks me for electric permit.
Okay.
So,
So how much time do you need to complete everything?
I'm not sure. So the question I would like to ask you if I can apply for extent like 60 to 90 days.
All right. I find that a violation does exist as cited. Issue an abatement date of April 10th. Not abated by April 10th, then it's $250 per day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Items number 30 through 30, items number 30. CEFAW 2018-00330, Ditched Bank, Officer Shanna Sanders. Dutch Bank. Deutsche Bank. Item number 30.
Ma'am, go ahead and make your appearance for the record.
Good morning, Gina Katz for Deutsche Bank.
Okay.
This is the only case that we received, but I understand there's more cases. I spoke to Ms. Shauna. This is the first time we received this, and we're gonna change the address to our firm. If we can please, what happens is this woman's been living there for free for 11 years. We took possession last year, and she's still there. I gave Ms. Shauna the settlement agreement. We are taking a loss of almost 1.4 million. So she settled for 1.1 million, and the property will revert back to her from March 20th to March 27th. So we're asking for an extension so she could take care of this since she's been living there. And this is the first time we get a notice, and we got this from her attorney that emailed, her client gave this to her, and her attorney emailed it to us, otherwise we would have never known.
Okay.
So I'm appreciative of that.
Shanna Sanders, City of North Miami Code Compliance Officer. This is a new case that was opened November 1st, 2018.
Oh, I'm not inclined to hear the case. I'm inclined to give her an extension for the actual owner to
Thank you.
hear the case. I just wanted to see if you had any objections. Okay. April 17th.
Thank you so much.
So I'm assuming it goes to all the cases.
Yes. No, yes, reset. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you, but I think there's more?
All of them. I'll do it.
Oh, okay, thank you, and, okay, thanks.
Item number 36, CEGMP 2018-00321, Diego, Officer Wayne Clark. And that's item number 36. property 1070 Northeast 134th Street.
Who's here on behalf of that property?
Wayne Clark, City of North Miami, code compliance, the property's in compliance. I told the owner he can be dismissed.
All right, case dismissed.
Item number 40, CEB PR 2018-00010, Evarista Escado, Officer Ernst Baptiste, for property 70 Northwest 123rd Street. And that's item number 40.
Good morning.
Good morning.
State your name for the record.
Evarista Scott.
Evarista Scott.
And what's your relationship to the property?
¿Qué relación tiene con la propiedad?
Dueña.
I'm the owner.
All right. And you've been made aware of the violations?
Le han indicado la violación que tiene.
Sí.
Yes.
Do you disagree with the violations?
¿Está en desacuerdo con eso?
No.
No.
How much time do you need to come into compliance?
¿Cuánto tiempo necesita para resolver eso?
Ay, lo más que pueda, porque mira, lo tiene la Miami Permit y mira lo que mandó un email que toda.
The longest you can give me, because you know it is at Miami permit, and this is what they sent me.
Find that a violation does exist as cited. Issue an abatement date of April 10th. Not abated by April 10th, then it's $250 per day until abated.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Item number 43, MHVIO 2018-00714, Fritz Gerald, Jean Baptiste, Officer Gary Beswick, and that's item number 43.
Good morning. State your name for the record.
Good morning. My name is Fritz Jean Baptiste.
And how
Address 660 Northwest 143 Street. I'm the owner.
All right. And have you been made aware of the violation?
Yes, owner.
And do you disagree with the violation?
No.
How much time do you need to correct the violation?
I need like 6 months, owner, because there is a lot to do with it. 6 months?
No.
Give me 4 months.
I give you 60 days.
60 days?
Yeah.
Okay.
Find that a violation does exist as cited. Issue an abatement date of
It's
April
already found
10th.
guilty.
Huh?
It's already found guilty.
Oh. So you haven't come into compliance?
Correct.
Oh, okay. Why not? Tell me why haven't you come into compliance yet?
No, I have to. I don't do the work without the permit. I have all my permit. They just hold, but I have to find the contractor who was doing the work for me. When I'm beginning to do the work in the house, I have a problem with the bank. They cancel the money. I don't have enough financial to finish the work.
How did you get a permit if you didn't have a contract?
Yeah, I do have the contractor, but that was a long time. But I have to find the same contractor to do the plan for me, to continue to do the work for me. But there is nothing done by the time the officer coming there. There is nothing work that was done in the property since I stopped with because I have the financial problem.
Mr. Beswick, remind me.
Well, what he's referring to, in 2006, he applied for a permit to do some work. Then he applied for a certificate of use permit. And when I went for the certificate of use permit inspection, in my observation, I can show the pictures, the place is under construction. But he says he's not really doing any work, but there's open electric, open walls, gutted bathroom. So the permit that was applied for up to in 2016, that expired a long time ago.
Okay.
So you need basically a brand new permit to continue the work and finish the work. And he's occupying the space and doing work out of the space, which is unsafe.
You understand what's going on? So you understand what the city's position is?
Yeah.
Okay. These things have been going on for too long. You need to wrap it up.
Okay.
So to give you some incentive to wrap it up, fines shall go forward. All right?
Say again, sir.
Your case has been open for too long.
Yeah.
You need to do more.
Okay.
So to give you some incentives, I am letting the fines go forward. All right?
Already have problem to finish the work, but
You can talk to Mr. Beswick, and Mr. Beswick can hopefully give you some guidance.
okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Item number 45, CEIVY 2018-000406, Genie Investment Properties, LLC, Officer Wayne Clark, and that's item number 45.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Go ahead and make your appearance for the record.
My name is Gary Gourdet, and I'm the owner of the property in question.
Have you been made aware of the violation?
Yes, I found out 3 weeks ago.
Are there any objections to the violation?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Clark?
Wayne Clark, City of North Miami Code Compliance. The case was opened up back in November 2018 in reference to an inoperable vehicle on the property. The property was posted with good notice. February 1st, 2:25 p.m. And it was posted near the mailbox area, and he said that what happened was that his mailing address was different than what we have on record. And then there was some type of discrepancy of what was considered a derelict vehicle, because he claimed that it had a tag on it, but I assured him there wasn't a problem with the tag. It was the car itself, had flat tires all the way around. I checked it this morning. The vehicle is still there, but however, he's asking
Are the
for a
tires still flat?
Yeah, but he like he said, he just got notification. Well, he got notification 3 weeks ago, but I let him go ahead and continue with his request.
Well, Your Honor, I'm sorry. I thought it was just one vehicle, and I had that vehicle removed. It was until this morning I found out that there was another one. And if you don't mind, Your Honor, give me a few days. I'll have the tenant remove the vehicle.
Okay.
And I promise.
All right. Find the violation does exist as cited. Give you until until March 13th.
Thank you.
All right.
That's fair enough.
If not done by March
Oh.
13th, then it's $250 per day until
Your
the
Honor,
vehicle's
I
removed.
promise, definitely, I will have it removed today.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Item number 53, CEGMP 2018-00369, Hernandez, Officer Jose Perez, and that's item number 53.
Ma'am, go ahead and make your appearance for the record.
Su nombre?
Julicelia Hernández,
Julicelia Hernández.
And what's your relationship to the property?
¿Qué es la propiedad de usted?
la propiedad, la propiedad.
I'm the owner.
And have you been made aware of the violation?
¿Le han informado la violación que tiene?
Sí, es porque
Yes.
no he
And-
pintado la casa.
It's because I have not painted the house.
And do you disagree with the violation?
¿Está en desacuerdo con la violación?
No.
No.
How much time do you need to correct the violation?
¿Cuánto tiempo necesita para corregir esta violación?
Hasta que se cierre el permiso que tengo abierto por las ventanas.
Up until the permit closes, the one that I have opened for the windows.
Okay, I find that a violation does exist
Bueno, la
as cited.
violación existe, como las
You have until
establece.
April 10th to correct the
Tiene
violation.
hasta abril 10
If
para
not corrected by
corregir.
April 10th,
Si no está corregido
then it's
para abril 10,
$250 per day until
entonces
corrected.
250 por día hasta que se corrija.
Y si el permiso no se cierra, what are you gonna do? Okay, I'm working on, but I have a permit open. And if the permit is not closed, I
Listen.
can paint because I have to paint, and then I has to broke again my wall. That's the problem. Yeah, last time, Friday, the guy came and said I has to move my window and I has to put again because they don't close an open wall. Okay, I understand that. But if the guy don't close my permit for the window, I has to pay 2 times. I has to pay 2 times for paying my house.
I'm giving you over 60 days for all that stuff to occur.
Okay, I hope so.
I do too.
Item number 62, CEWWC 2018-00148, Immacula, address 1041 Northeast 137th Street, Officer Ernst Baptiste, and that's item number 62.
Ma'am, go ahead and state your name for the record.
Immacula, je crois. Immacula, je crois.
And are you aware of the violation?
Est-ce qu'au courant de violation? Right now, I am, but not before.
Do you understand what's needed to correct the violation?
Est-ce qu'on compte qui ça pour faire pour ranger? The house is leaking. Your insurance hasn't sent enough money to fix it. I have an adjuster. He just took, he bought me this paper. I don't know anything about it.
Okay, that's the nature of the violation, that you're preventing the leak with the blue tarp. Is that correct?
Est-ce que vous mettez des blue top là pour protéger tête là? I'm not the one who put it.
But it's your home, right?
Mais c'est Kayo. Yes.
So that makes you responsible for it, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, what the city is saying is that you can't have a roof with the blue tarp on it. And you can't have a roof that's in disrepair. That you must fix these things because they are currently a violation of the city's code.
Yes.
And the city does not have to wait for the insurance claim to be satisfied, especially when they're contesting it, because those type of proceedings can drag out for a long time, and the city is not willing to wait that long for compliance.
What can I do then?
That's a good question. And I don't have the answer to that question, except that the roof is your responsibility, whether you get money to fix it or not. Okay. So, what I'm going to do is give you until May 8th. I'm going to find out a violation does exist as cited. Give you until May 8th to fix it. However, if it's not fixed by May 8th, then it's $250 per day until it's fixed. What would typically happen is that if you don't have it fixed by May 8th, you'll have to come back before me on May 15th. And at that time, we'll see what's going on.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Item number 70, CEEXP 2018-00269, Joseph W. Quinn and wife Catherine, Officer Vanessa Willis, and that's item number 70.
Joseph or Catherine Quinn? Or they must have
left,
fixed it.
Special Magistrate. He had to leave. He suffers with COPD. Vanessa Willis, City of North Miami Code Compliance Officer.
There's more
He
information that we
requested
needed
60
for the record.
days. I'm sorry?
There's more information that we needed for the record.
I'm sorry. Well, I'm just letting you know
Now
that
his
he
COPD is public
You
record.
didn't have to repeat it just in case they didn't hear it, but he's not feeling well, so he's not here.
Okay.
He left, but he is requesting 60 days. I do not have a problem with that.
All right, so granted.
Thank you.
Item number 75, CESOD 2018-00029, Marie St. Jean, Officer Jose Perez, and that's item number 75.
Good morning.
Good morning. Go ahead and make your appearance for the record.
My name is Jean. My name is Jean Jean. Speaking the mic. Oh, she's the owner. I'm the co-board. Oh. My name is Maggie Augustine Jean.
Okay. And I'm assuming that this young lady is Adeline Jean?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, yes. Yes, sir.
All right. Have you ladies been made aware of the violation?
Yes.
And do you disagree with the violation?
Yes, I agree.
You agree?
Yes.
All right. How much time do you need to fix the violation?
2 weeks.
2 weeks?
I called someone last week to fix it for me.
All right. I
But
find
they-
that.
they- Can I show you something? Oh,
Okay.
sorry. Sorry, sir.
Go ahead. I find that a violation does exist as cited, given abatement date for March 13th. If not abated by March 13th, then it's $250 per day until abated.
Yes.
All
Yes,
right.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Item number 76, CERCV 2018-00173, Marila Padron, Officer Ernst Baptiste. It's property 1320 Northwest 120th Street. And that's item number 76.
Padron? No problem. Go ahead and make your appearance for the record.
Yo estoy rentado. Enzo Aguilera.
Enzo Aguilera, I am a renter.
All right.
I the owner of the boat.
Did you move the boat?
Esta información llegaba a casa del dueño y yo me enteré tarde.
This information arrived to the owner's house and I learned it late.
El dueño lo que me dijo que no lo podía tener en el frente y yo lo puse en el lado normal donde no está la vista.
Well, the owner told me not to keep it in front, so I placed it on the side.
Me dijeron que podía sacar un permiso, vine a
Ernst,
sacarlo.
Ernst Baptist City, North Miami
was
Code
told that
Enforcement
I-
Officer.
What's the violation? Is it because it's on the property?
Because it's on the property.
Okay.
El hecho es que está en la propiedad.
It can't be on the property.
No puede estar en la
All right.
propiedad.
And since you're not the property owner
Como no es el dueño usted,
and you don't have authority from the property
no
owner
tiene
in
autoridad
writing
de la propiedad
to speak on their behalf,
para hablar por la
I'm
propiedad.
going to reset this
Entonces voy a
until March
reprogramar
20th,
esto hasta marzo 20,
which coincidentally gives you enough time
coinciden-
to remove the boat from the
coincidencia le
property.
da suficiente tiempo para moverlo.
En caso que abran el permiso, puedo ir a sacar el permiso porque dicen que puedo sacar un permiso.
In case it is possible, can I get a permit?
Ernst Baptist City, North Miami Code Enforcement Officer. It's the position of the city that no permit is going to be issued. No variance is going to be issued for boat. The
No se
boat
va-
need to be removed.
No se va a dar ningún permiso para los botes. Dice la ciudad, el bote tiene que ser quitado.
But nothing stops you from trying.
Pero nada le para de intentar. Okay.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
March 20th. Let the record reflect that the renter indicated that the property owner was aware of the case.
Item number 77 and 78, CEFAW 2018-00329. Item number 78, CEODS 2018-00225. Mario Frazil, Officer Jose Perez. And that's items number 77 and 78.
Go ahead and make your appearance for the record.
Yes, Your Honor, my name is Mario Fazil. I'm the owner.
All right. And have you been made aware of the violations?
Yes, sir.
And are there any objections to the violations?
Yeah, do you want to talk? He's the contractor.
My name is
I need you to answer that question first.
Can you say it again, sir?
Are there any objections to the violations?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yeah.
Mr. Perez.
City of North Miami Code Enforcement Officer Perez. We're hearing the case in reference to the property located at 320 Northwest 130th Street. As of February 14th, there was outdoor storage. Mr. Franzil advised me that he went ahead and cleaned it up. He said he brought photographs to show that evidence. At this time, I would like to see those photographs so we could close out the case. Complied, both of them.
But however, Your Honor, he just give me
Both of them?
500.
Both of them complied.
All right, case is dismissed.
But Your Honor, he just give me a fine for $500.
Case is dismissed.
Okay.
Item number 80, MHVIO 2018-01113, Mazo Investments 31 LLC. Officer Vanessa Willis, and that's item number 80.
Marie Jean Charles, property manager.
Have your owners been made aware of the violation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are there any objections to the violation?
No,
How
I
much-
have a permit, finally.
Oh, is that all we needed?
No, sir.
Oh.
But I need some time,
How much?
90 days.
Vanessa Willis, City of North Miami Code Compliance Officer. This property was cited June 27, 2018 for painting. The young lady expressed to me.
She wants 90 days. You object?
Well, I just want to read into the record, Your Honor, for all that are listening and paying attention right now. She is repairing the roof. That's why she's requesting 90 days. So she's going to do the roof first, and then she's going to paint. So 90 days, yes, is sufficient. I am in agreement.
All right. Finding the violation does exist as cited, issued an abatement date of May 8th, and not abated by May 8th, and it's $250 per day until abated.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Item number 86, CIVY 2018-00370, Onville LLC, Officer Karen Jean Lewis, and that's item number 86.
Go ahead and make your appearance for the record.
Yes, good morning, of Your Honor. Bradel Verme. Yes, I'm the owner of the property. The property is being rented now. And as I was coming here to the hearing, and I called the tenant, and they told me they were in the process of removing the cars. I don't know yet if the car have been removed, but as they said, they were in the process of moving the cars.
That's the only violation?
Good morning, Code Compliance Officer Karen Jean Lewis. Yes, that's the only violation on the property. They have two vehicles, an Impala with flat tires and a blue sedan with front end damage. That needs to be removed.
All right. You said there's also what?
What was that, sir?
What was the other thing other than the car?
It's just the car. That's the only violation they have.
Okay.
For the one with the flat tires and then the other one with the front end damage.
So from your last inspection, they were still there.
Yes.
And your people said that they're gonna move them right away.
They were in the process of removing them.
All right. Find that a violation does exist as cited. Issue an abatement date of March 13th. If not abated by March 13th, then it's $250 per day until corrected.
Thank you.
All right.
Item number 90, CEGMP 2018-00363, Paul and wife Francina.
Media.
Officer Jose Perez, and that's item number 90.
Go ahead and make your appearance for the record.
This case can be dismissed. She showed me photographs of it just now.
All right. Case dismissed.
Thank you.
Yes.
Item number 91, CEGMP 2018-00357, Paulette Charles, Officer Wayne Clark, and that's item number 91.
Go ahead and make
Good
your appearance for the
morning.
record.
My name is Paulette Charles. I am the owner of the property 830 Northeast, 131 Street.
And
North
have you
Miami.
been made aware of the violation?
Yes,
And do you disagree with the violation?
no, I'm not, I'm agreeing.
How much time do you need to correct it?
The problem is like, there's a tree, so I pay somebody to cut it. The tree was close to the wall, so when they cut it again, the blocks, the wall falls, some blocks, so I'm missing. So I called somebody to repair it, but I gave him $500 to buy the bricks, to buy everything. And like, every time he told me that the land grass, the person who cut the tree need to remove the trunk. But every time I call him, he never did remove, he never come. The problem is I've been approved for the beautification program in the city of North Miami. So now they are in the process. I have an inspection to be done on Saturday. So I have the roof also they're going to repair. So I don't know if you can give me some times. Because last year, not even 2 years ago, I spent money to do the sprinkler because that sprinkler dirty the walls.
How much time are you asking for?
I don't even know because they are in the process to do the roof and to fix the yard and everything like that.
Mr. Clark, how much time do you
So
recommend?
Mr. Clark.
I don't know, but however.
I spoke to Ms. Clark about that.
Yes, she did.
I want the picture, everything, the letter, so the approval letter, everything like that.
Okay, give me a second.
And
Give me a second. Okay. However, what she's explaining, yes, she is part of the rehab program. Good for her. She has been approved as a recipient for the program. However, it does not include detached parts of the property. Saying that to say the wall is not included in that rehab that she is mentioning. And also, it looks bad. And unfortunately, like she said, between me citing her and maybe whenever that happened, I do see now that the wall is damaged on one side. And she claims a tree broke that. So that in itself, she has to get that repaired first now, because it doesn't make sense to paint a wall and then have the wall is broke down. So, I mean, we can try it 30 days at a time. we got to get something going.
All right.
Because she was cited in November.
But I
Okay.
spoke to someone in the city of North Miami. They explained me the program. They do the roof, they paint the yard, everything like that. It's a beautification program. They even plant the grass.
Okay, well,
Yeah,
it doesn't have to do the wall.
After that, I went there. I spoke to someone, and they explained to me.
Okay.
They will do it.
Okay, well, I spoke to Marie Jean France, who's over the rehab program, about 30 minutes ago, and she told me to go forward with the case because that doesn't include the wall.
Alright.
That's what she specifically just told me. I went and paid her a visit.
All right, I'm gonna take your advice. I find that a
30 days.
violation does exist as cited. Issue an abatement date of March 13th. If not abated by March 13th, then it's $250 per day until abated.
You
So-
found her guilty already.
I did.
Yeah.
So reset in
January
on March
23rd.
20th. Reset on March 20th. But on March 20th, I need to see some progress.
So they give you about a month.
Okay.
Exactly the month to the day.
Okay, so what I have to paint because they're going to paint the wall. So I have to repair only the wall or I have to do the painting because the painting is the sprinkler, mess it up. So I have
Oh,
to-
well, I don't know how you could avoid that. Maybe you need to put some treatment inside your, they have some treatment you could add it to the sprinkler pump.
Now, let me tell you something. Do I have to paint it or do I have to fix the block? I have to paint
Sounds
everything?
like some things you guys
You have to
can
do all
work,
of it.
work on
What about-
off the mic.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Item number 93, CEG MP 2018-00377, Prateep Bennett McNeil, Officer Vanessa Willis. And that's item number 93.
Good morning, Vanessa Willis, City of North Miami Code Compliance Officer. This case was opened October 22nd, 2018, but it is in compliance. So I would ask that, well, it's closed. I've closed the case. It's in compliance.
Case dismissed.
Thank you.
Item number 97, CESOD 2018-00028, Raymond Nelson, Officer Jose Perez, and that's item number 97.
Go ahead and state your name for the record.
The name is Reynald Nelson. There's a mistake in the, it's not Raymond, it's Reynald. R-E-Y-N-O-L-D. R-E-Y-N-O-L-D.
Okay. What's your relationship to the property?
I'm the owner.
And are you aware of the violations to the property?
Yes.
And do you disagree with those violations?
I already paid for the fine.
Did you correct the violation?
So I fix it. They don't want bricks on the grass, on where I put some bricks. I'm supposed to put grass there.
So have you fixed it? So have you fixed it?
If I may, he's confusing this case for a ticket he received for installing a driveway. So he's confusing, this case is in reference to the grass in front in the swell area that has not been sodded. And as of the 14th, it had not been sodded. It has not been cured.
Ou pas mette zep, koto suppose mette zep an se sal tou.
Or paid for?
No, there's no fine to this. We haven't
Ah,
adjudicated.
donc, amende yo
Oh, it's
pa
been
pou-
adjudicated.
It has not been adjudicated.
Ou poko jam study.
So, do you disagree with that?
Esko d'akor, bon pa d'akor avel? I didn't agree, but I paid a fine for $500 for it.
All right. Finding the violation does exist to cite it. Issue an abatement date of April 10th.
Disa
Not
vile.
abated by April 10th, then it's $250 per day until
Ou pa
abated.
refi problem nan. Disa vile ap komanse chaje ou $250 pou le. What is the problem of
Speak
Judge?
with Officer Perez and
Al
he'll
pala avek
he'll
li,
help you
la
out.
pe speak up.